Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Lena, and today we are going to learn English in a fun and simple way. Just like talking to your friends on social media. Do you want to improve your English? While scrolling through stories, posts, and messages? Then you are in the right place. In this video, we will explore 5 easy chapters that show you how to read, write, and interact in English using social media. You will learn new words, write short sentences, and even start conversations, all naturally. Before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon, so you don't miss any lessons. Are you ready? Let's open your app, start reading stories, and learn English in a fun and friendly way. Chapter 1. Meeting Friends Online. Hello, students. Today, we are going to learn English through social media stories. Social media is not only fun, but it can also help you practice English every day. Imagine you open your social media app. You see posts, pictures, and short videos from your friends. You feel happy you can say hi, how are you, or good morning when you see their stories. I often say this to my friends too. Do you say the same? Now you reply to a story. Maybe your friend posts a picture of a cute dog. You can write, I like your dog, or so cute. This is simple, right? You are practicing English without even thinking too much. Sometimes I see my friends sharing small updates. For example, I am eating breakfast, or I am going to school. These sentences are in the present continuous tense. You can also try this. I ask you, what are you doing now? Can you write it in English? Social media also shows reactions like wow, nice, or good job. These are small words, but they are very important in conversations. They make your English sound natural and friendly. Remember, students, the key is to start small. Even one message a day helps you learn. You read, you write, and you respond. Slowly, your English improves. You feel more confident. So let's open our apps and try. I will guide you. I say, write one story about your morning. You write, I check, and we learn together. Practicing like this is fun and easy. Chapter 2. Sharing your day. Now, we will learn how to share your day on social media. Sharing is not only fun, but it also helps you practice English. Imagine you wake up in the morning, you eat breakfast. You can post a story, I am eating breakfast, or I am drinking tea. These are simple sentences in the present continuous tense. I do this every day, and you can do it too. After breakfast, you go to school or work. You can write, I am going to school, or I am studying English. See, you are using English to describe real things you are doing. This is very important. Sometimes your friends reply to your story. They may write, good morning, have a nice day, or enjoy your breakfast. When you read these, you understand short, friendly messages in English. You can reply to, thank you, or have a good day. This is practicing conversation. You can also add small pictures or emojis. I often post a photo of my coffee. I write, my morning coffee is tasty. Students, can you write about your breakfast or morning routine? Try using one new word today. Remember, students, sharing your day is a simple way to practice English every day. You read, write, and respond. Slowly, your vocabulary grows. Your sentences become longer, and your confidence increases. So today, I ask you to share one story about your morning. I will guide you. Write it, post it, and read the replies. This way, English becomes part of your daily life, and learning becomes easy and fun. Chapter 3. Learning new words from stories. In Chapter 3, we'll learn how to discover new English words from social media stories. This is a fun way to grow your vocabulary. Imagine you are scrolling through stories. You see a friend cooking. The story says, "I am making a recipe." Here, the word recipe is new. It means the instructions to cook food. I see this word and learn it too. Next, your friend adds, "I need some ingredients." Ingredients are the things you use to cook. For example, eggs, milk, and flour are ingredients. Can you think of ingredients you use at home? You can write them in English. Your friend posts a picture of the food and writes, "It looks delicious." Delicious means very tasty. You learn this new word just by reading the story. Later you can say, "This food is delicious." Isn't it easy? Now it is your turn. I ask you. Students, try to write one sentence about what you eat today. Use one new word if you can. For example, my breakfast is healthy, or I like sweet fruits. You are practicing English naturally. Remember, students, social media stories are not only for fun. They are small lessons in English. Each story teaches you new words, small sentences, and natural expressions. You read, you understand, and you try yourself. So today, I want you to find one story. Read it carefully and pick one new word. Write one sentence using that word. I will guide you, and together we will learn new English words every day. Chapter 4. Asking questions and interacting. Now we will learn how to ask questions and interact with friends on social media. Asking questions is very important for learning English. Imagine you see a story from a friend who is traveling. The story shows a beautiful place. You can ask, "Where is this place?" or "How was your trip?" These are simple questions. I ask my friends the same way. When your friend replies, you read the answer carefully. They may say, "It is in Paris," or "The trip was amazing." You understand small, natural sentences. Then you can reply, "Wow, that is nice," or "I want to visit too." Sometimes you see a story about food. You can ask, "What is this?" or "Can you share the recipe?" Your friend replies, and you learn new words and phrases naturally. I always encourage my students to ask questions. It helps you speak and understand English better. Remember, students, interaction is not only about writing. It is about reading, understanding, and replying. Each reply is a small conversation. Each question teaches you how to communicate naturally in English. I want you to practice today. Find one story and ask a question. Read the reply and write one short answer. You can also add a small comment like "nice photo" or "looks fun." This is practicing English in a natural way. By asking questions and interacting every day, you improve your speaking, writing, and understanding. Social media becomes your small classroom. Little by little, your English grows and you feel confident. Chapter 5. Practicing daily with social media. In the last chapter, we will learn how to make English practice a daily habit using social media. Practice every day is the key to improving your English. Imagine you open your social media app every morning. You read stories, posts, and comments. You try to understand them. You write short replies like "good morning" or "nice picture." Each small message is practice. Now you can start posting your own stories. You write about your day. I am eating lunch. I am reading a book, or I am going for a walk. These sentences are simple, but they help you use English naturally. I do this too, and it is fun. Sometimes you learn new words from your friends' stories. You try to use these words in your posts or comments. For example, delicious, beautiful, or interesting. Little by little, your vocabulary grows. Students, the most important thing is consistency. Even 5 minutes a day is enough. You read, you write, you reply. You ask questions and you answer questions. This is real English practice. You feel confident and speaking becomes easier. I encourage you to make a small plan. Every morning or evening, spend a few minutes on social media to practice English. Write one story, read one story, and reply to one friend. I will guide you. Together, we will make English learning simple and enjoyable. Remember, students, practice every day. Social media is not only for fun. It can be your small English classroom. Slowly, you will notice your English improving. You will feel proud, confident, and ready to speak naturally with anyone.